Welcome to my YouTube video. Settle into your sacred heart and feel the expanded energy around you beginning to awaken, as it is time for you to embrace the change, generate, stabilise, cultivate all that is new for you. It is time for us to nurture, to create, to grow something, build something lasting and beautiful. It can be small, it can be large. Look inside. What gifts, skills and talents are you bringing to this world? Feel for your truth. It is time for you to thrive. Manage your world. Stop underestimating yourself. Stop undervaluing your skills, your unique gifts. To kickstart anything new, how about a little space clearing? Maybe you could clear your home or another space using smoke such as sage, Palo Santo, even the flickering light of a candle. And this will help you usher in the new. First, determine a particular area or a room, a space that feels heavy, huachad, closed down. You can start in this area and spend more time clearing it, particularly if you feel it's holding you back. Choose sage and incense, Palo Santo, whatever works for you. I have heard that some people are actually allergic to sage, and others think it has a very strong smell. I love it. Some incense can also be very intense. So I typically use smoke from a piece of wood called Palo Santo. However, just reaching for mine here, nope, it's disappeared. Make sure it is ethically sourced, as Palo Santo is becoming increasingly rare in the wild. Gather a firelighter or simply a match. Have a bowl of water for burning sage, incense, anything that you have alight. I live in Australia. Bushfires are ever present, as are house fires. Determine a good time emotionally for you to do your clearing. Usually best when other people are not around. However, if people like the smell of the smoke and they're happy, you can smudge them as well. Get rid of some of their heavy energy as well as your own. Bonus. The steps that you take for your ritual are so simple. To begin with, open a window or door in each room, just a few centimeters or inches, so that the energy has a place to flow out of. Set a clear intention, inviting the heaviness of the energy to leave. Light whatever item you have chosen to create your smoke. Start in the room most affected and go around counterclockwise, left in a circle, smudging and clearing. Open all cupboards, drawers, wardrobes, under any objects, such as your bed or your desk, and use the smoke wafting it to clear away, moving the energy towards the open door or open window. Do any extra smudging or smoking when necessary, based on your intuition, especially things like beds or chairs, maybe vases, anything that can trap energy. Clear each room systematically and thoroughly, and you are free to leave a burning candle or some incense to continue the clearing. However, the Australian in me as well, make sure it is safe. Don't leave it like anything lit near a candle, or a curtain or paper or anything that could catch fire, because we want to be safe here in our sacred space. So trust you, know you, birth whatever is bubbling up for you, and start with a good cleansing and then diarise how you are feeling and what you wish to emerge for you. Sharon Ramel saying, Aho, See you next time.